Transport layer uses two main protocols. One is TCP and other is UDP. TCP stands for Transmission Control Protocol and UDP stands for User Datagram Protocol. Now let's talk about TCP. Transmission Control Protocol ensures data arrives correctly by retransmitting lost packets. This is ideal for web pages, emails, and file transfers. User Datagram Protocol focuses on speed with no retransmission. This protocol used for live streaming, online gaming, voice over IP. Now in next we will talk about how the network layer handles data routing. See you in the next lecture.